Hi everyone, Janet Boyer here, and today I am unboxing June 2022 Cora Crea Crafts Box. And this package is, I believe, an Explorer theme. Next month is South of France. And if you want to know more, you can go to coracreacrafts.com. This isn't sponsored by them. This is my own purchase. So let's see what the Journey package has. Some nice tissue paper that's like map themed. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, what pretty acrylic stamp sheet. These are nice. Look at that. A globe says exploration. Some phrases in French. Butterfly, flowers. A bee. Oh, that'd be great for my bee journal I'm working on. Looks like some terrain mapped out. Oh, wow. That's nice. Got a vintage Zeppelin ship type thing. Well, that's a nice stamp. Ooh, pack of specimen cards. Specimen perforated notes. 120 single notes. 60 pages, 8 designs. Oh, wow, that's nice. So we see a dragonfly and a bug, but there's probably other different ones in there. Let's see if I can open this easily and we can take a look at it. Wait, I think, yeah, I think this will open pretty easy. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, this is nice feeling. Oh, wow, look at that. These are pretty. And there's a lot of them in there. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, what else we got? Oh, another stamp. Binoculars. It's important for the explorer to be willing to be led astray. That's awesome. Oh, there's another one. If you're not lost, you're not much of an explorer. Isn't that the truth? Wow, what an awesome package. Oh, 2 washi tape. Oh, this looks like a train and bicycle. Binoculars. Really great, like vintage explorer theme. And this one, let's see. Looks like it's more of a brownish. Can't really tell. Like different locations, and I think that's old-fashioned binoculars. That looks like an ohm symbol. That looks like some kind of tiki head. So maybe like a jungle explorer. And lastly, what do we have? Oh, wow. These beautiful egg stickers. Look at that. Just beautiful. From the Egg Observatory. And there's another one. Wow. These are beautiful. Wow, so a lot of solid, wonderful goodies. I'm so happy that there's so many stamps in this one. I mean, we got this, we got these, the big wooden stamp. Oh, and these specimen cards are awesome. That would be good for an explorer or traveling theme, scientific, any of those type of, for like journaling. Wonderful. Wow. What a nice box this is. All right. So if you want to sign up for your own monthly box, every month the theme is different, and it'll let you know on the site what that is, and then they usually let you know what the next month is. Like next month is South of France. I think I'm going to opt out of that one. I'm not really into the whole lavender filled scene. But they also have a really cool, like a mystery box that is full of goodies, and it's like kind of a mismatch, but there's a lot of really cool stuff. You might have papers or envelopes or specimen cards, stickers, just unusual tickets, stamps. It's really cool. So you might be interested in that. And again, their website is Cora, CreaCrafts.com. Well, thank you for watching, and boy, if I'm going to create with this, which I'm sure I will, I'll be sure to share with you what I come up with. Bye for now.